Hello, this is Miss Shea. I'm going to show you how to navigate to Explora through Badgerlink. Badgerlink is a huge database full of lots of other databases, and the one I want you to take a look at today is Explora. So on your ZenWorks page, you're going to double-click to open Badgerlink. Once it opens, this is the screen you'll see. I want you to scroll down a little bit and look for I am a student, and you are a high school student, so we're going to click on high school. From there, we're looking for something called Explora, and so the quickest way to find it is just to click on the E in the alphabet here, and then this is the database we're looking for. Click right next to that icon to open up the database. Alright, once you're in here, you look for the Find window at the top and you can start searching for anything here. I'm going to look for some information on ethical research. So I'm going to start typing in my search term, and notice as soon as I start typing, it gives other suggestions here. So you can use those or not use those, it's up to you. So I type my search term in and either click on search or hit enter. A couple of things to look for. This particular database should default to only full text hits, meaning it will only bring up things where you can actually read the full article. If you're not seeing that, come over to the left and click on full text. You can also limit what you're looking for by date. Maybe you want something that's a little more contemporary than back in the 1970s or 1980s. So you can move that up, and as soon as you do, it will sort through those hits again and give you just the more current stuff. Let's try that again. The other thing you might want to do is, for this particular project, if you need a short article, you might limit it to, say, just magazines and also to newspapers. Then you'll probably get shorter articles, which I believe your teacher wants for this particular project. Alright, once you've done that, then start looking through your titles, and you can read a little description here and see if there's anything that will work for your project. Notice also you can see how long that article is right here. It will give you the page number. When you find something that works, click on the title. Most of these are in HTML format, but not all of them. Some are in PDF. Go ahead and you can read through the article and see if it's helpful for you. You also have your choice if you want to listen to it as opposed to read it. You could do that. Let's say this is something that works for you. If you need to print it, just click on print. You're going to want to make sure that the full text is checked there, and also I would suggest checking the citation format, changing it to MLA since that's what we use, and then go ahead and hit print. Let's say you don't want to print it at this point. I would then suggest emailing it to yourself, because that's a really quick way to get back to that article if you should decide that you need it. Before you do email it though, make sure again that you change to MLA citation format, and then you just put in your own email there and then you can send it. So that's a quick summation of what you need to do in order to use Explora.